Hi friends, let's look at Lavna Smart Door Lock today, model LA48. First look at the box pictures. You can see the lock picture there with the outside and inside door units. It is a fingerprint technology. It has RFID scanning and doorbell and all the some of the latest features that you can find. Let's open the box and see what it contains. So first we see the package. Let's open up the wrapping around it and have a peek at what's inside. Yeah, so first is a user manual there. It details how to install, set up and use the various menu options. There is a card which is useful when you are installing. It has all the right measurements which you could use. A kit which contains various nuts and bolts and a charging cable included with it. It's a type A USB charger, and there are two RFID cards here which comes with the box, and you could configure them to whichever way, either as a user or as an administrator. And there is here is a battery. I'll show the specifications of the battery in shortly. It's a rechargeable one. Let's open the internal mechanism of the lock. So we have the one that goes into the door frame, and then a couple of screws, and the actual lock itself. It has 3 deadbolts for security, and then there is a privacy bolt as well. Now look at the actual lock. This has the keys and the locking mechanism. This is a manual key in case none of the electronic mechanisms work. Here is the lock's inside unit. It has a small screen which connects to the camera in the front unit, and then when somebody rings the doorbell you will see the picture here. Or you could also trigger the camera with the button, as well as take pictures. This is the outdoor unit. It looks awesome. It's strong, heavy, and in fact much larger than what I was expecting. And the quality build is excellent. These are the rubber paddings. So the lock comes with a strong lithium ion battery with 7.4 volts, 4200 milliamperes, and a rechargeable port. The cable is included as part of the lock. This runs for almost 2 months as per this. Now let's see the installation that we had. The installer comes with nice tools which fit the door and make sure that the lock is well centered and does a good automated installation. So no manual chiseling and all of that. It's done with the drill machine, and comes out to be very neat. Let's try operating it. This is the finally installed on our door. We can see it has the nice large screen. You could trigger the camera with it and take pictures too if you want, and this triggers the deadbolts, and the privacy can also be locked. So when the privacy is locked, none of the electronic systems work here. So the outdoor unit works pretty well, the keypad and the fingerprint mechanism. You can find the many videos by the company itself detailing how the installation is done and the user manual. So I just want to provide a review about this. Now let's talk about some of the drawbacks of this lock. Let's look at some drawbacks here. First thing, the lock doesn't have an OTP support. The app has the interface. It keeps saying synchronizing, but it doesn't work. That's a big missing feature for me. Second, though it has camera, doorbell support, it doesn't have the face recognition, which I see is available in many other competing products from other companies, which come at the same price. And other third major drawback is no time-based access. So we cannot give time-based revoke for any of the access mechanisms. All in all, it's an okay lock, I would say. If they can make more improvements on this, that would sell better. Thanks for watching.